is assembly instructions for the FlexiPro 16 folding desk, and this is step 1. We're attaching to the tabletop the flipping mechanism. We just located the long screws out of bag A, put them over the hole, use your Allen key, tighten them all off. Pretty simple, and that's all done for step 1. Now we're moving to step 2, which is attaching the pneumatic riser that rises the desk up and down. And the only thing to really think about here is this is the pedal that operates the riser. That needs to face the arc in the tabletop. Okay, and now it's just a simple matter of positioning it. Into position like so. Bag B, which has the small screws, same Allen key, and we just locate them and tighten them off using our Allen key. Okay, we're now moving to step 3, which is we're going to put the feet onto the table. You can see the holes are there. We need to loosen that camber, turn that around, and then tighten it like so. We take this here. You see the curve at the front here. The long part of the legs needs to go to the front. Position over the holes. Okay, like we did before. Grab the screws that we have here and put them in with your Allen key. Okay, this is the final step of assembly. It's attaching the casters to the frame. And simply, you just get it started by screwing it in like that. At the long end, you have a caster with a brake. This is this end here, and this end, caster without a brake. So when you want to lock your table in position, you just push these locks down.